Good morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So we'll start what's unfolding this morning. Reports came in early this morning that rockets were fired at an airbase in Iraq. Now this airbase houses US troops. Now Iran's come out and confirmed that they've fired dozens of missiles at an airbase in Iraq. So this looks like a direct retaliation against the US strike in Baghdad last Friday. Tensions had abated after that attack, and we saw rallies in risk markets on Monday night. So last night things changed and we saw a return to safe havens, mainly the US dollar, but this morning things have really sharply moved back to the yen. And the yen is a key safe haven in times of uncertainty, and right now this is definitely a time of uncertainty. So we're looking at the US 30 right now. So this tracks the US futures out of hours, so we can see right now how sharp this move down has been this morning as traders dump risk. So we're looking at 260 points lower and just under 1% right now. It was trading over 1% lower a little short time ago. If we just have a quick look at some of the risk currencies to the yen, we can see some of the sharp declines at the moment as traders move well out of risk and back into the yen. The Aussie dollar has continued to be sold off. This got underway yesterday and we can see a continuation today. It's the same on the Aussie to the USD. The Aussie lost over 1% last night to the US dollar, and we are seeing a strong demand for gold. So gold's soared again. It's broken above last Friday's high, and we're looking at a rally this morning so far of 1.14% as traders move back into safe havens as we saw on Friday. So futures will be sharply higher at this point in time, and we would expect the Nikkei to open with a fair bit of selling, possibly sharply lower as traders jump back into the Japanese yen. The ASX so far has come off after its very nice two-day rally. We'll just have to see how this progresses. Now, a bit of background on this. The US, President Trump made a very clear statement that if Iran retaliated, they had 52 sites that they were ready to target, and these included cultural sites in Iran. So sites that held cultural significance, and President Trump said that they were on the table if Iran targeted US troops. And from what it looks like this morning, the airbase that was targeted did house US troops. So this right now has really the chance of building into something a lot greater. Could it be all-out war? We're not, we can't say for certain right now, but it will really come down to how President Trump and the US basically react to this morning and what their next move is. So we were unsure when or if Iran would retaliate, but they've definitely taken the upper hand here and they've launched an attack. And now we'll see what comes out from the US. But if this continues to progress and becomes something a lot greater and turns into a war, well, we could see the current rallies in the stocks and some of the rallies we've seen lately from some of the risk currencies, especially to the yen. We could see further strong declines, and we can see now how fast the dollar's coming off to the Japanese yen. It's currently down 0.53%, 57.6 pips, and if this continues to accelerate, we could see we could possibly see some really fast declines. So keep an eye on this day, traders. Overnight, on another note, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI came in higher than expected, but the main focus today from markets will be the ongoing developments between Iran and the US after Iran has claimed that they launched the rockets into the base in Iraq. So keep a good look eye on the traders, and until tomorrow's report, have a fantastic trading day. Bye for now.